Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Anani with At Home with Anani. Thank you so very much for taking your precious time to watch this video. As always, it gives me great pleasure to serve you guys by making this video. So let's get started. Well guys, I am really super excited to be participating in this collaboration. This collaboration is being hosted by Hillary of Old World Home, and it is a $5 Goodwill challenge. I have been watching Hillary for a couple years now, and I'm really excited to finally be collaborating with her. So Hillary, thank you so much for hosting this collaboration. Before I get into the video, I'd like to take this time to thank Hillary with Old World Home for hosting this collaboration. Also, there will be a link in my description box to the playlist of everyone who will be participating. So guys, show them some love by subscribing to their channel. Well guys, if you'd like to see what I did for the $5 Goodwill challenge, keep watching. Well guys, this is the end of my video. As always, it gives me great pleasure to serve you guys by making this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Again, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Hillary at Old World Home for hosting this collaboration. In my description box down below, there will be a link to the playlist of everyone who's participated in this collaboration. Please stop by and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. Again guys, thank you so very much for taking your precious time to watch this video. Everybody be blessed. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.